We'll guide you through how to turn off your active status on Instagram. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram. Perhaps you've noticed you can go and see other people's active status, or others have gone and said they can go and see yours. I find this feature a little bit intrusive, as I don't like others knowing when I'm online, as then they try and send me messages or perhaps try and call me or expect me to go and reply to things. And I just like to be a little bit more anonymous. So what we can do is go and turn this setting off, and people then can't go and see when we're using it. So for example, if I go and open up my messages in the middle at the bottom, you can go and see the top here, the different people that are currently online and are active. In this case, just this one other account, GuideRealm, and you can go and see the little green icon and they're active now in messages. As I said, I don't want this. I do find it a little bit intrusive. So what we can do is go and turn it off to go and have a bit more privacy. So let's go and walk you through this. To get started, you want to head to the bottom right of Instagram. There you're going to go and find your profile icon, or maybe a user, and you want to go and tap on it. Here we are. Now what you need to do is go to the top right and you'll go and find the three lines. Tap there and that'll go and open up your settings and activity, as you can see. Now what you need to do here is we need to go and scroll down, and you want to go and find the option for messages and story replies in the section how others can interact with you. Then you can go and tap on it like so, and then you want to go and find the option for show activity status. If you struggle to find it, you can come back to the settings and activity, scroll to the top and go and search for it. Now what you can do here is we can go and switch this off, so accounts now won't be able to go and see our status.